Thermometer. If we touch a hot object like a cup of coffee and a cold object like ice, we can feel the difference, but cannot measure the hotness of coffee or the coldness of ice. The measure of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. A thermometer is an instrument to measure the temperature of a body. At the end of this session, you will be able to explain how a thermometer works, differentiate between laboratory and a clinical thermometer. When we touch a hot object like a cup of coffee, we feel hot because energy flows from hot object to cold object, which is our hand in this case. When we touch a cold object like ice, we feel cold as energy flows from the hand to the ice and ice starts melting. We have seen that solids, liquids and gases expand on heating. The more the temperature is, the more it expands. So, one of the ways of measuring temperature is to measure the expansion of solids, liquids and gases. However, solids expand very little, while in gases the expansion is very high. Therefore, in order to measure temperature, we usually measure expansion in liquids. Expansion of liquids on heating is the principle on which a thermometer works. The thermometers available in a laboratory are thin glass tubes sealed at one end with a bulb filled with a liquid at other end. The most commonly used liquid is mercury. To find out how it works, let us take water in a beaker. Heat the beaker and observe that as the temperature of the water rises, the liquid in the bulb of the thermometer expands and rises into the thin tube called the stem. The stem is marked in C or F. The height of the liquid in the stem gives the temperature. Most commonly, the liquid used in laboratory thermometers is mercury. Mercury can be used for measuring temperatures ranging from minus 39 degrees Celsius to 457 Celsius. Alcohol is used to measure temperatures below minus 39 Celsius as the freezing point of alcohol is minus 117 Celsius. To check the body temperature, a thermometer is placed in our mouth. A laboratory thermometer cannot be used in this case because the temperature recorded in a laboratory thermometer will fall as soon as it is taken out of the mouth. To overcome this problem, a clinical thermometer is used. This thermometer has a slight bend of kink in the stem just above the bulb. When the thermometer is taken out of our mouth, the liquid in the bulb contracts and the mercury column breaks at the kink. Therefore, the level of the mercury in the stem remains the same. If the thermometer is to be used again, it is first given a jerk to bring the mercury present in the stem back into the bulb.